Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord T2 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. And now we have to find the build number, which should be probably in the version. Let's tap on it, and as you can see the build number is right at the top. So all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and here let's enter system settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and as you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example we can change the display cutout, we can show layout bounds, here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, overall to the networking actually, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. So if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. And as you can see most of the options are inactive and actually disappeared. What's more, from this you cannot see the developer options in the system settings, which means that we just successfully disabled them. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your OnePlus Nord T2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.